In today's video, I'll show you how to install Trainer in Need for Speed Payback. Check my video description for this Trainer download link. Once download done, right click and select WinRAR and select Extract to. Password type Trainer and click on OK. Open the extracted folder and open the Trainer exe and select the S option. Select this music icon to turn off this music and launch the game. Once you are in game, press the Alt tab and open the trainer. Turn on the num block in your numpad and now turn on the cheats you like to use. To show you guys it's working, I'm gonna turn on this infinite nitros. Press the one key in your numpad to turn it on and then get back to the game. I show you guys infinite nitro is working. And I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.